Welcome to the My Profile section of EveryListing. This is your personal space to manage all your details and stay connected with potential clients. Here, you can view and update your personal information. Your profile includes your picture, name, contact information, and the languages you speak. This helps buyers and sellers get to know you better. Want to make changes? Just click Edit Info to update your profile picture, name, contact details, or even your password. You can also connect your social media accounts to engage with clients on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and many more. And don't forget to manage your membership and billing information here. On the right, you'll see all the properties you've listed. Each listing shows the title, location, price, and key features. Need to update a listing? Simply click My Properties at the top. Adding a short bio can boost your profile by helping potential buyers connect with you. Take control of your profile and make it work for you. Start managing your details today. Thank you for watching.